Have you ever wondered why Nepal, a relatively small country, is so geographically diverse and incredibly rich in natural beauty? At the heart of the matter lies a fascinating interplay of geographic elements that have shaped this nation over millennia. Strategically situated between two colossal nations, India and China, Nepal boasts a diverse topography that dramatically changes from lowland plains to the rugged Himalayan peaks, all within a span of less than 200 kilometers. This geographical diversity has blessed Nepal with a multitude of ecosystems, from tropical jungles to Arctic tundra, each brimming with distinctive flora and fauna. Let's journey through the staggering altitude variations within Nepal. From the Terai Plains at roughly 60 meters above sea level, the land elevates to the world's highest point, Mount Everest, soaring to an astonishing 8,848 meters. This dramatic shift in altitude has carved out three distinct geographical belts running east to west: the Terai, the hills, and the Himalayas. The Terai, the southernmost strip of land, is a fertile plain, an extension of the Gangetic Plains of India. This region is a granary of Nepal, producing the majority of the country's agricultural yield. Moving northwards, the land begins to rise into the hills, a region characterized by verdant valleys, terraced farms, and fast-flowing rivers. Further north, the mighty Himalayas take over the landscape. This is the region that houses 8 of the 10 highest peaks in the world, including Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. These majestic mountains, apart from being a source of national pride and a hot spot for adventure tourism, also play a vital role in influencing the country's climate, biodiversity, and water resources. The rivers of Nepal, originating from these icy peaks, are another significant aspect of its geography. The 3 major river systems, the Koshi, the Gandaki, and the Karnali, all tributaries of the sacred Ganges, are lifelines for the people and the ecosystem. They provide water for irrigation, generate hydroelectric power, and support various riverine ecosystems. Nepal's geographical diversity also extends to its climate, which ranges from tropical in the lowlands to alpine in the high Himalayas. This variation in climate zones, combined with the topographical diversity, has resulted in a remarkable range of biodiversity. From the Bengal tigers in the subtropical Terai to the snow leopards in the frigid Himalayan regions, the wildlife of Nepal is as diverse as its geography. In a nutshell, the geography of Nepal is a fascinating amalgam of diverse topographical features, ranging from the fertile Terai Plains to the rugged Himalayan peaks. This topographical diversity is mirrored in its rich biodiversity, varied climates, and a myriad of ecosystems. The mighty rivers, originating from the Himalayas, are the lifelines of the country, providing water for irrigation, generating power, and supporting riverine ecosystems. This geographical diversity is not just about picturesque landscapes, it's a vital part of the country's identity, its culture, and its livelihoods. So the next time you marvel at the beauty of Nepal, remember it's not just the mountains that make it special, it's the incredible geographical diversity that truly sets it apart.